Good morning. Hello children, welcome to science lecture. We are writing the notes of 12th lesson, that is simple machine. In the previous lecture we have completed 3 questions. Fourth question today we are going to write the second part of the fourth question. First part we have completed in the last lecture. Which is the fourth question? What is a lever? How are the orders of the lever determined? A lever is a simple machine having 3 components, that is fulcrum, load and effort, and the support at which the rod a lever rests is called a fulcrum. Second point, the rotation of a lever takes place around a fulcrum. Third point, the weight lifted by lever is called the load. The load arm is the arm from the fulcrum to the load. And the next fourth point, the force applied on the other side of the lever is called effort. The arm between the effort and the fulcrum is the effort arm. Now we are going to see the point B. The types of lever depend upon the position of load, fulcrum and effort. In the first type of lever, the fulcrum is in the center. The second type of lever, load is in the center. And in the third type of lever, effort is in the center. The other 2 components are on the either side. Then next question, what is an Archimedes screw? Where was it used for the first time? The well-known scientist Archimedes invented a machine which is called Archimedes Screw. It consists of a round pipe which is lifted with a rod inside it. The picture is given in our textbook. This pipe was placed at an angle of 45 degree. Its one end is inside the water and the other end, having rod, rests on a flat surface. By turning the rod, water gets lifted up in this device. This machine was used to lift the water from the hold of a ship. And this is the answer. You copy down in the workbook. Then next, sixth question. How are machines maintained? The maintenance of machines is done in the following ways. First of all the parts of a machine are wiped clean. And the second, oil and other lubricants are applied between the parts that may have friction. This reduces wear and tear of the machines. Third point, machines are kept covered so that the dust does not settle on them. Fourth point, metallic parts of the machine are painted externally so that they do not catch rust. Fifth point, machines are always kept dry. These are all the maintenance of machines. Machines are maintained in these ways. Understood? We are going to write the next question now. See, why? Question number 5. Why is this so? Traveler's bag have wheels. What is the reason? Wheel is a simple machine. If the heavy bag is to be lifted, it will require more effort. Instead, drawing it on wheels becomes easier and efficient. It consumes lesser time and lesser energy to carry a bag. Therefore, travelers' bags have wheels. And second question, machines have to be maintained. Why it is so? Parts of the machine undergo wear and tear. Due to constant rubbing, some parts may even get damaged. The weather, the rust and the dust may spoil the parts of the machines. If the machine is not functioning well, we may not use this facility when we need it the most. Therefore, machines need to be maintained regularly. Next question. A bicycle, third one. Why is this so? Third question. A bicycle said to be a complex machine. Why it is a complex machine? More parts are joined together. A bicycle is made from combination of 2 to 3 simple machines. The pedals, the handle, the wheels and the axle all are simple machines. In combination, they work together. Therefore, bicycle is said to be a complex machine. Then next question. See here, a paragraph is a passage. Small passage is given here. You have to read that passage. And what you have to do? Name the levers mentioned in the following passage. Identify the fulcrum, load and effort of each and say which type of lever it is. 3 types of lever we have seen. What are they? First order, second order and third order. And in the first order, fulcrum is in the center. Fulcrum will be in the center. In the second order, load is in the center. And the third order, effort is in the center. See here. I am going to read the passage. Listen carefully, all of you. What machines are here? You have to find it out. What simple machines are given here? What are they? You have to find out. Ravi and Savita sit on a seesaw in a garden. In the meantime, see here, which is simple machine in this first sentence? Seesaw. Ravi and Savita sit on a seesaw in a garden. In the meantime, a gardener is trimming trees in the garden. Trimming. Gardener is trimming the trees with what? Trimmer. And he puts the leaves and other garbage in a wheelbarrow. That also we have studied already. We saw the picture. Later, Ravi gets thirsty and he buys lemon sharbat. The sharbat seller cuts the lemon with the knife and squeezes it using a lemon squeezer. Lemon squeezer is also a simple machine. He puts small pieces of ice in the glass with the help of the tongs. Tong is also a simple machine. Understood? See the answer. What you have to write in the above paragraph. There are simple machines. Their fulcrum, load and effort are as follows. The type of lever used is dependent on these positions. See here the continuation, and see here this is the passage given in this page. Question and answers are in the next slide. So next slide is the continuation of sixth question. That is the answer for sixth question. Understood? I am going to turn the slide. That is the answer for sixth question. Understood? See, what are the simple machines? Name of the simple machines given in the passage: seesaw, scissors, wheelbarrow, lemon squeezer and tongs. Seesaw. Where is the fulcrum in seesaw? The center. Effort on one side, load on the other side. Which type of lever it is? First order, because fulcrum is in the center. Understood? Scissors. In scissors also fulcrum is in center. Effort on one side, load on the other side. This is also type of first lever. And then wheelbarrow and fulcrum on one side, effort on the other side, load is in the center. This is the second type of lever. And lemon squeezer. Lemon squeezer, fulcrum is on one side, effort on the other side, load is in the center here. So this is the second type of lever. Tongue, on the fulcrum on the other side, effort in the center, load on one side, that is third type of lever. Understood? These are all the simple machine. Name of the simple machine given in this passage. Question number 6. So what will you do? You have to copy down the question answers in the workbook and then by heart the question answers, and I'll ask you when we are going to conduct online classes. At that time I'll ask you questions. You have to be ready to say the answers. So what should you do? You have to write the question answers in the workbook, read the question answers, by heart it, and without seeing, write one time in the notebook, send me as homework. Okay? We'll meet in the next lecture. Remaining question answer. Some questions are remaining. I'll show you in the next lecture. Till then, bye. Have a good day.